What you might also notice is I've got another camera here, which means this one is a new one. This is the new Hero 13. It literally arrived this morning. So I've literally thrown some settings in it, and we shall see how it records. But it means I now have dual cam, so I can switch from this one looking that way to this one looking at me. Hello. So we are meeting another guy called Nick in Bala already. He's already in Wales. We have a table reservation at 8 o'clock somewhere, but the sat nav says we're getting there at 8:10. Oh dear. So, hey, just waiting for Justin and Keith to turn up, who we did the NC with. Once they arrive, we'll hit the road and we'll see what we see on this travels. Got my new panniers on, got my new boom mop, aluminium panniers. Here we are. I've got the top box, but the top box plate hasn't arrived. But I've managed to fit all my stuff into these two. So there's plenty of room in these now. But when the top box arrives, I'll put that on. I've got some dividers in the top box to sort it out, so I can put more of my day-to-day bits and bobs in there. So thank you to Top Box Divider Man. Just find him on Instagram. I'll put a link below in the description as well to him. He's also got a YouTube channel, Matt from Leeds, some may know him. Really nice guy, helps out a lot. So yeah. So yeah, we'll wait for these. I'm red hot sitting here, but hey. And then we'll hit the road. And we'll also see how this camera gets on recording over the weekend, given it's brand new. It's got the new clip-on mount, which was the big draw for me. So I can just quickly unclip it, change battery, and make that a lot easier. So yeah, anyway, catch you all in a bit. Great start. Oh, got split up already. This road slows better now. Yeah, now it's all bedded in. Shame he wasn't hitting it then, I could have gone. Yeah. It needed to time it, you know, when you were just hitting it and then hit the horn. Lovely sunset. There's the Balis. So the light is fading. It's still on its way. So it's 8:30. Get there. Just been waiting on the notes. I'm ready for the table book for 8. So I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see soon in the cameras because I've got a defocus on. And I ain't got time to stop and swapping them. So I thought I'd do an outro now, and then I'll probably just turn the camera on when we get to the hotel to kind of show you that. But yeah, first day is just mainly getting to Wales. We can get there. Tomorrow's when we start doing the North Wales 360, so there should be more footage tomorrow and the day onwards, so we'll see. So thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and catch you next time and ride safe.